Today I brought you this turmeric ginger shots. This is another detox you can make for yourself. Very easy. All you needed is all these natural fruits and root herbs. Okay, so here, this is golden milk. Amazing. So you can see I'm using this pineapple, orange, ginger. You can see something, I didn't peel off the skin, but they are properly washed, and I want to squeeze everything including the skin. You know, it's important. They are great nutrients inside the skin, so I don't want to lose them. So I'll be squeezing it with this my juicer. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glatory. Okay, this is Glatory, and welcome for coming by, seeing my video. So remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Love, like my video, comment and share. You have nothing to lose. You're gonna learn a lot hanging around my channel. Thank you so much for being part of it. So you can see I'm squeezing everything out. So if you can tolerate only turmeric and ginger, that's fine, but I decided to add some fruit sweetener into it, like pineapple and orange, in order to make it a little bit sweet. So this is a great shot. This shot is an anti-inflammatory. It can help with your pains. It can help your body glow. So why don't you give it a try? And you have nothing to lose. Now I have finished already pressing the juice out. You can see the shot, golden milk. So now I decided to use these 150 ml bottles for my shots. Please use any bottle of your choice. So I have to bottle it. So make sure you try this shot. This is a good supplement for your daily need, and your body will thank you. So you can see already, it's amazing, the golden milk. Will you be trying it out? So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Love, like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.